All right, reviewing the YUHAO this is model 1083-5. I really like this ceiling fan. I've installed many ceiling fans in the past, and none of them were this easy to install. This was really straightforward. Some of the really great features I like would be the way that the screws mount. So typical ceiling fans, they have a little arm, a side arm that has 3 screws that mount into the blades, and then you have a metal arm, and then you have to balance it just right so you can get the screws into the fan body, and you have to put 2 more screws in there. So you have like a total of 5 screws per fan blade. This one has only 3 right here, and it's actually inside the fan blade, so there is no arm. And they slide in the 3 screws. It kind of auto rotates by itself because it's off balance, and you just mount them side to side until you get all of them in there and nice and tight. It's very straightforward. It is a good looking fan, very slick, very sleek rather. And this is the first one I've ever done that is LED, strictly LED only. So in order to do that, once you have your fan blades in there, you click in this one clip, and then you've got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, that secure the LED in place. Once you have that tightened, you go ahead and put your nice ceramic globe in there, screws in place. That's it. This thing is nice. It seems to balance itself real well. And what can I say, man? This is an older house, and now has a modern fan and light in it. The light is pretty bright when it comes on first. Oh yeah. So we've got how many light intensities? Oh, so it's multi-temperature light. Interesting. So it's 3 different temperatures. Very cool. I like that. Wow. Let's leave it on that one. That one's nice and bright. Man, what speeds we have? The 3-speed? Very well balanced. There's medium. I mean, I just love it. It makes very little noise. The noise you're hearing is coming from that fan right there. This ceiling fan, let me see if I'll turn this light off, or rather turn this fan off. Oh man, it's so quiet. Yeah, I am impressed. Seems like the one other feature I'm missing, and there's a timer feature on the remote. It won't focus there. Interesting. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. So I guess it will automatically shut off for you. Thumbs up, A+. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 on the star rating. This is a good job by the manufacturer. Keep it up. And I'm back. So I guess there's one thing that I think it's missing, and that would be, so it has the 3 different temperatures. That is awesome. Great temperatures. However, where's the dimming feature? It would be great to be able to dim the light to whatever intensity that you want, as well as have the temperature. So, man, that would, I think it's still going to get 5 out of 5, but that would be awesome if it did have a dimming feature. Currently, it does not.
Okay, here we have this beautiful, sleek, and modern design ceiling fan. It's 52 inches. Very well made. Beautiful nickel color. The light is super bright. It comes with a remote control. You can turn the fan off. It puts an excellent breeze. There. Very quiet, as you can see. And works excellent. It was very easy to install. It took my husband about 25 to 30 minutes to do it, you know, in between taking off the old fan that wasn't working and install this one on. It comes with a timer also here. You can put it for 1, 3, or 6 hours. You can turn off the light and turn it on. And it brightens the room, as you can see, completely. Super nice fan. Easy to install. It's really well built. LED lights. And put an excellent breeze.
I am loving my new fan. This one's in a bedroom, but I actually bought two. Great. This is speed 1, and it's just where I leave it on. I felt like that's good enough. The lights, there's dimmers. I'm going to show you this. This is the remote. I love it. It's got plenty of speeds. It has a light on, light off from your bed. You don't have to pull on any chain from like the old ones. It has a 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour. If you put it on for 6 hours, it'll turn off. And has a dimmer. The plus and minus is for the light. So you can actually have 3 different types of lights, and these lights change. This is kind of more warmer light. It doesn't catch it, but it's very yellowish color, warm, and then it gets brighter, and you might be able to see it. I don't know in the video. I don't know if you can see it, if it got a little darker. Don't know, because again, I'm looking up at the light. But anyway, I love it. I'm glad I purchased it. It fit perfect. It was very easy to install. Had great directions. I would show you, but I don't have them anymore. And I'm really happy with it. And I bought this one in white, and the other one in the living room is actually black. It had an option with black and gray, so that's what I put. I put the item itself. The fan is black, and it has 2 tones, so I went gray. But anyway, hope this helps in a decision to buy one.
If you're looking for a fan, I really would suggest this one for a bedroom fan. I love how it blends in with the ceiling. The white and the modern look and sleekness to it has just been exactly what I was looking for. It comes with a remote and it has 3 different speeds for the fan. You can dim the light. I'll show you that. So there's dim, there's brighter. And it also has 3 different light colors. So that's soft white, and then there's like a cooler white, and then there's a super cool white, which I really like the warm. It just illuminates the room more. And it has a timer. It also comes with a thing to put your remote in to hold it if you want to mount it on the wall or by your bed. I have it by the bed because I enjoy being able to lay there and turn my fan on whenever I'm too sleepy to get up. So yeah, if you're looking for a fan, this one's a great one.
Okay, here's my review of the fan. As you can probably see, the housing is a little warped. It's quiet, it moves a lot of air, which is great. You can see the cover that covers the bracket on the ceiling. It doesn't have a trim ring to cover the screws. There wasn't one in the box, so you get to look at the screws and then you get to look at that wobble. But it's smooth and quiet and it moves a lot of air. Otherwise, it's got its issues.
So my husband just installed this ceiling fan. This thing is awesome. They got a 50-inch blade. Comes with this cute little remote right here. Really, it's got 3 different settings here on the fan. Really enjoyable. It does have the reversible. It'll turn it up and go the other way. You have the light switch right there. You can dim it. It goes up and down. And you could also set the fan on a timer. Super cute. See it? There it is.
This is all this fan will do. That's it. Nothing else. Just snap back and forth, regardless of what direction I have it set for, either updraft or downdraft. So, worthless.
So the fan only has this speed. My children have yanked the chain off, so there is no speed other than this, and this is the fan that I would like to replace.
And take card, you have open